I blow my smoke up in the air. Notice there's haters everywhere. Been voted most likely to succeed. Wanna do the same and follow me. So dim the lights when you hear the sound, and pay respect when I wear the crown. Brought my goons 'cause it's going down. Tonight we gon' see who run this town. We gon' see who run this town. We gon' see who run this town. We gon' see who run this.
Are you listening? Is anybody listening? Walk into the room and you can smell the Clive Christensen. A lot of niggas is threatened by my positioning. Grilling bars, you think I'm writing with John Christensen. I need rosé, never mind the pricing. No, we brought cake to the party, no icing. No ice on, big phantom, no license. Fuck if you're feeling me as long as your wife is. No one in my city got a pocket like Drizzy. I can rock fitted jeans 'cause my credit card's skinny. It's pitch black and covers all incidentals. And Miss Wrong, sorry you ain't noticed my potential. Fuck y'all rappers in your self-proclaimed status. I can only see green now, had the same patties. Yeah, I know you waiting on the last quote. Check the sound scan, you can see that I'm the last hope.
Blow my smoke up in the air. Notice there's haters everywhere. Been voted most likely to succeed. Wanna do the same and follow me. So dim the lights when you hear the sound, and pay respect when I wear the crown. Brought my goons 'cause it's going down. Tonight we gon' see who run this.
By the way, I'm Jewish and turning 22 gets depressing when you see your favorite rappers going through it. Trying to reinvent themselves, showing no improvement, getting crushed by this light-skinned youngin' on some new shit. 40 just recorded and we'll drop this here, 'cause I'm trying to fuck Megan Fox this year. And if you got a stylist, the cop you get, you in my age bracket, you are not my peer. Yeah, fuck you really know about the Eames couch. Frette sheets, perfect touch to a clean house. Wide awake, but a nigga living your dreams out. Looking like a photo shoot every time the team's out. Yeah, and it's the realest nigga still I. A woman could love me to death, but I still die. So I'm about us now. Smith and Wesson flow, you should tell them boys duck down.
Blow my smoke up in the air. Notice there's haters everywhere. Been voted most likely to succeed. Wanna do the same and follow me. So dim the lights when you hear the sound, and pay respect when I wear the crown. Brought my goons 'cause it's going down. Tonight we gon' see who run this town. We gon' see who run this town. We gon' see who run this town. We gon' see who run this.
Yeah, it's been a long time coming. I travel like a passport. Up in Japan, my destination's the last course. I've been getting money since a youngin'. Money stacked taller than that nigga Tim Duncan. I've run this town. You ain't even know it, but you know now. So I gotta show it. Bring it to your house. I'ma leave a notice. Try to jump bad, I'ma do the hit and lotus. Putting niggas in the trash. All my opponents haters stay mad. I'ma stay focused, but I stay glad. No matter what condition in the ocean, and you hoping for an opportunity to see me open, but I'm floating. I'm in this world like deep pussy, and I'm still trying to fertilize. Keep pushing. Get your mind right before you try to cross pain. I'ma try and get you every time we cross lanes. Yeah, I hope you got a vest on with it. It won't matter, bitch. Hollow tips make them. Now y'all stretched out like a sentence. The apprentice got a different type of weapon. I ain't missing 10 bitches in the kitchen, but it's not Thanksgiving. How you living? Song spinning like the fan on the ceiling. Mad at a G, 'cause I get it how I live it. With a 757 flow compared to a Civic.